Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trade Club. In this video, we will talk about full tutorial how to install a Forex robot in VPS. But, before we start, you can click the subscribe button below to support our channel. In this channel, we talk about trading strategy and tutorial for free. Let's back in our topic. What is a VPS? VPS is an abbreviation for Virtual Private Server. VPS is a virtual environment which runs on a physical server usually located somewhere in a data center. A VPS behaves like a virtual computer with its own virtual CPU cores, RAM, storage and network interfaces. So, with VPS we have a 24-hour computer that will always on. That's why we need a VPS to install our trading robot. For the VPS, we will use the VPS by Forex Host. All my trading robot is working on Forex Host VPS. Now, click the link on my description below. After that, now you are on Forex Host website. The VPS start with very low latency, start from 1 millisecond. If you want to install less than 4 robot, you can start with the light package which start from $24.99 per month. You can pay using Visa and PayPal in Forex Host. After you buy the service, you will get an email with the VPS information. Let's go to how to use the VPS. How to use VPS. First, open remote desktop computer. Type the IP that you get in the email. Log in with the username and password you get from your email. Now, you are using your virtual computer. The next step is to install our broker MT4 and install the robot. Installing MT4 and robot. In the first step, you can download your broker MT4 by going to their website. In this case, I will using OptaFX broker. Go to octoberfx.com and download the MT4 trading platform. After that, install the program. Now, log in with your MT4 ID and password. Please check the Expert Advisor tab until it turns green. Next step, you need a robot file or Expert Advisor file. I will using the FX Scalper X robot in this video. If you want to get this robot, you can contact my Telegram. My Telegram account is on the description below. You can check this video to know the FX Scalper X performance. After you have the Expert Advisor file, go to File and click the Open Data folder. Paste your Forex robot file to Expert Advisor folder. Now, back to your MT4, refresh your Expert Advisor tab, and now you can see the FX Scalper X. Simply drag it to the trading chart, and click OK. Now, if you see a smile face on the top right of your chart, you have 6 to install the Expert Advisor. You can use VPS to access the MetaTrader platform because it's not available in App Store. VPS can be the alternatives to access MetaTrader on your phone. Alright, so that's all about the tutorial how to install Forex Robot in VPS. I hope you can understand the video, and like the video. Before this video end, I will give some disclaimer. We are on Simple Trade Club. Create this video is for education purposes only, and not a financial advice for you. We are not responsible for any profit or loss you had when do a trading activity. Don't forget to join our free Telegram channel so you can get free education like ebook or trading signals for free. The link is in the description below. See you in my other video.